High above the clouds, a chilling silence grips the blue mountains, but you are never truly alone in the mist. Legend says that once the fog rolls in, the spirits of old Jamaica awaken to guard their sacred peak. Would you dare to trek these trails, knowing what watches from the shadows? Here, at 7,402 feet, the dense white fog isn't just weather, it's a physical veil between worlds. Locals believe this mist is the very breath of the mountain's ancient guardians. This isn't just folklore. As recently as 2026, hikers have reported unexplained shadows moving within the fog, only to vanish the moment sunlight breaks through. But what are they seeing? The answer lies deep in Jamaican history with the Phantom Maroon Warriors. These were escaped slaves who found freedom in these mountains and became their fiercest protectors. It's said their spirits still patrol these peaks, guarding their ancestral home.